Climate of Uttar Pradesh. The climate of Uttar Pradesh UP is primarily defined as humid subtropical, with dry winter CWA type, with parts of Western UP as hot semi-arid BSH type. Alternatively, some authors refer to it as tropical monsoon. Variations do exist in different parts of the large state, however, the uniformity of the vast Indo-Gangetic Plain forming bulk of the state gives a predominantly single climatic pattern to the state, with minor regional variations. UP has a climate of extremes, with temperatures fluctuating anywhere from 0°C or 32°F to 50°C or 122°F in several parts of the state, and cyclical droughts and floods due to unpredictable rains. The summers are extremely hot, winters cold, and the rainy season can be either very wet or very dry. Seasons of Uttar Pradesh. Indian Meteorological Department IMD breakdowns the climate of India into the following seasons: winter season / cold weather season January and February, summer season / pre-monsoon season / hot weather season / thunderstorm season March, April and May, southwest monsoon / summer monsoon June, July, August and September. Post-monsoon or northeast monsoon or retreating SW monsoon season October, November and December. This classification is primarily monsoon-centric given the vast effect that it casts on the lives and agriculture of India. Classification of the Uttar Pradesh climate. The climate of Uttar Pradesh is generally defined to be tropical monsoon type. However, based on the Köppen climate classification, it can be classified mostly as humid subtropical with dry winter CWA type, with parts of Western UP as semi-arid BS type. Referred to map of India above. Based on IMD classification, UP has the following three predominant seasons: winter season November to February, summer season March, April and May, southwest monsoon June, July, August, September, and October. Retreating monsoon season, although existent, has a very negligible effect in Uttar Pradesh, and only occasional mild showers are experienced in winter. Some of these showers are not even due to the monsoon but due to western disturbances. The primary temperature, rainfall, and wind features of the three distinct seasons of UP can be summarized as below. Summer March-June, hot and dry temperatures rise to 45°C or 113°F, sometimes 47 or 48°C or 116.6 or 118.4°F, low relative humidity 20%, dust-laden winds. Monsoon June-October, 85% of average annual rainfall of 990 millimeters or 39 inches. Fall in temperature on rainy days. Winter November-February, cool morning temperatures drop to 34°C or 37.4–39.2°F, sometimes below 1°C or 30.2°F. Clear skies, foggy conditions in some tracts. Given significant climatic differences, UP has been divided into two meteorological subdivisions, UP East and UP West. Geographical terrain. The state of Uttar Pradesh is in the heart of Indo-Gangetic Plain, with river Ganges flowing right through it, Himalayas to the north of it, and the Chota Nagpur Plateau and the Vindhyas to the south of it. Temperature. Temperature varies from 0 to 46°C, 32.0 to 114.8°F. High temperatures of around 50°C or 122°F have been recorded in Gonda district of UP. Given such a wide range of temperature fluctuations in most parts of the state, it can lead to either cold waves or heat waves, both resulting in substantial loss of life and economy. Heat waves. In 2007, Banda with 45.5°C or 113.9°F temperature was the leader in terms of hot districts of UP for several days. At least 62 people were reportedly dead during the heat wave that year. In June 2009, 30 people died of heat stroke in UP. Highest temperatures reached 49°C or 120.2°F in Bundelkhand district of northern UP. In June 2010, Jhansi recorded the highest temperature of 46.7°C or 116.1°F, the hottest. Cold waves. In recent years, winters at the end of 2007 and beginning of year 2008 caused a string of cold wave-related deaths in UP with temperatures as low as 2.8°C or 37.0°F in the city of Meerut, UP. Simultaneously, it also led to a loss of crops and agricultural produce. Similarly, last part of 2009 saw the mercury dipping to lows of 2.9°C or 37.2°F in Meerut, again causing loss of human life. End of 2010 and starting of 2011 was no different, with winters bringing news of cold wave-related deaths. This time Chirk Town in Sombhedra district ranked coldest, with 1.4°C or 34.5°F. On 13 January 2013, Kanpur recorded its all-time low temperature when the mercury plunged to 1.1°C or 30.0°F, and on the same day Agra recorded 0.7°C or 30.7°F. In the month of January in Lucknow, temperature can plunge to zero mark, like when Lucknow recorded 0.0°. Agra and Muzaffarnagar are also notorious for chilly winds, and temperature can plunge to sub-zero mark. Precipitation. It rains over most of UP with very few arid or semi-arid patches. Snowfall doesn't occur, but hailstorms, frost, and dew occur often in UP. The type of rainfall that UP receives is orographic, cyclonic, and convectional. Rain. Primarily a summer phenomenon, the Bay of Bengal branch of the Indian monsoon is the major bearer of rain in most parts of UP. It is the southwest monsoon which brings most of the rain here, although rain due to the western disturbances and northeast monsoon also contribute small quantities towards the overall precipitation of the state. The rain in UP can vary from an annual average of 170 cm in hilly areas to 84 cm in western UP, given the concentration of most of this rainfall in the 4 months of monsoon period. Excess rain can lead to floods and shortage to droughts. As such, these two phenomenons of floods and droughts are a common recurrence in the state. Floods in UP. Floods are a known hazard of UP due to overflowing of its main rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, Ramganga, Gomti, Sharda, Gagra, Rapti, and Ganda. Estimated annual losses due to floods in UP is $4.32 billion, $61 million. Major flood management efforts have been undertaken to mitigate the risk. Most of these floods occur due to the monsoon rains and overflowing of rivers during the rainy periods. Year 2010 witnessed one such year of flooding in UP. Droughts in Uttar Pradesh. Shortage of rain during the highly variable monsoon season can cause droughts in UP, leading to severe loss to man and property. Recent 2002 and 2004 drought-related financial estimates have been reported to be $75.4 billion $1 billion and $72.92 billion billion. The recurrence of a major deficiency in annual rainfall follows a 6-8 years cycle in eastern UP, whereas in western UP, it is a 10 years cycle. Wind. In summers, hot winds called Lu blow all across UP. They are dust-laden and quite damaging. In winters, dry and rainless winds blow across the state. Fog may also form in parts of UP.